Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting explicit consent from the phone owner. This is required and keeps things legal. Once granted, make sure both phones have internet, signed-in Google accounts, and location permission enabled. On the target device, open Google Maps, tap the profile avatar, select location sharing, and choose Share Location. Select the duration or until turned off, then pick the method to share, send a link, or select your Google account. This setup step creates the live sharing connection you'll use next. Once the owner shares, accept the link or open the notification on your phone. Make sure you use the same Google account if required. Next, open Google Maps and go to the People tab where shared contacts appear. If needed, refresh to load the latest info. Tap the person's avatar to reveal their live dot on the map, along with movement, last seen time, and an estimated arrival if navigation is active. You can zoom, switch map types, and start directions to that live position if you need to reach them. To finalize, keep location enabled and disable aggressive battery optimization for Google Maps on the shared device so updates stay frequent. Make sure both phones maintain internet, otherwise the dot freezes. When you're done, remove access by opening the People tab, tapping the contact, and selecting Stop Sharing. If the location doesn't appear, check that Maps has location permission, background activity allowed, battery saver off, and correct date/time. Restarting Maps or the phone often resolves GPS or sync glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.